Deduno will try to put up a few zeros and see what happens. One hopper to Morales, and that takes care of the Yankees in the third.
During Lugard's speech
for the Washington Senators.
Right.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. Text give to 50555. Another strikeout this time of Gardner. 2 strikes. Struck him out. Good inning for Deduno. Back to Deduno. And a good inning as the Yankees are retired 1-2-3.
For the 3rd time this year, Deduno out of the bullpen has tried to pitch 4 shutout innings.
Popped up, looked like he did it. Bloof calls for it. Another good inning for Deduno. The Twins are in this game because Deduno popped up short left. Harmony near the line makes the catch out number 2.
So a great job by Samuel Deduno. 4 2/3 innings of shutout baseball.
A nice round of applause here from the sellout crowd at Target Field.